and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasenia, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. In today's video, it is Tip Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to add your social links to Facebook to grow your business. Real quickly, how to add your social media links into Facebook on your laptop and your cell phone. So there's different ways between your laptop and your cell phone, how it looks and where you would add the social links. Adding your social links to your Facebook will help you grow your business. Whatever the business that you have, whether it's, a massage business like I've had in the past, or you do some network marketing, or you have YouTube, you could add all your social links there, and it really helps guide people. People want something quick and easy to click on to bring them right to where they want to go. Otherwise, they might go to somebody else instead because they already have those links in there. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Jasenia, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to put social links on your profile and cover photo and intro. So first, you're going to go obviously into your main page, and we're going to click our profile picture. After that, make sure you have a smiling, beautiful profile picture, and then you're going to hit edit with the little pencil. And this is where you're going to add all the information that you want people to know, all your social links, all your connections, your YouTube channel, if you have your YouTube channel, your Young Living member number, all of that stuff in that description box. And you're going to add all your links and just make it nice and organized. And you're going to add Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and then that's how you do that. LinkedIn is another app to grow your business as well. Then you're going to exit out of that, and you're going to do the same thing into your cover photo. You're going to hit edit and then add all the information in this description box, and then you're going to hit done editing. And then this is what it's going to look like when people see it. And those are the two social links for your profile and cover photo. Then we're going to go into intro. So you're going to hit the little pencil, and you want to write something high vibe, put your Young Living number in there, and then you're going to click save. I'm just hitting cancel because I already have it. So those are the social links for that on your laptop. Hi everyone, I'm Jasenia, and I'm going to be showing you how to put your social links on your profile picture and your cover photo. You're going to go into your Facebook application, click on that, and then you're going to hit your home page. After that, you're going to click onto your cover photo, and make sure your cover photo is going to be a bright, happy photo, and you're going to click view profile picture. And then you're going to hit those three dots that are in the upper right hand corner. That's where you're going to edit, and you're going to hit edit caption. That it says that on the bottom. Click that, and that's where you're going to add all your social links and your member number. So make sure you add everything so people can connect with you. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Well, and Twitter, you want to add all of them. And then you're going to exit out of that. Click to edit your cover photo, and then you're going to hit view profile cover. And you're going to do the same thing, hit the three dots on the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to edit caption, and you're going to add all your social links into the description box, and then you're going to click save after you put all of those in. So that is how you add your social links to your profile picture and your cover photo, and make sure they're nice and bright and beautiful. And then to edit your text box, you're going to click on edit on that, and then you want to write something vibing and happy and special, and then add your member number as well so people know your Young Living number. And then you're going to hit done, and then you're going to hit cancel, and then that will show in your text box right under your name. And that's how you do that, all your social links on your phone. Hi everyone, I'm Jasenia, and I'm going to be showing you how to put website and social links into your main page. So you're going to go into your main page, and look at me here, I'm singing my heart out. And these are the links that we're going to put in. So hit that little pencil button, and you don't want to hit any of these. You want to go to contact and basic info. And this is where it's going to show your websites and social links. So hit the website ones, and you can put all your websites in, doesn't matter how many you have, and then hit save changes. Then go into your social links, and with the social links you want to just put the name of each of them. So for example, my Pinterest name is Jasenia Alex. My YouTube, if you have a YouTube, you will have to make a custom URL with that. And then for Twitter and Instagram, it is Yogi Jasenia. And to add another social link, hit the add one. And these are all the different social link platforms. But I'm going to exit out of that, and that's how you do that. And you just want to make it simple, and that's going to be into your timeline. So you're going to double check them and click each one of them. So we'll click into my Instagram and make sure that it pops up, and Yogi Jasenia is my Instagram name, so that's what you put in the social link under the contact and basic info. Then my Pinterest, that's all good. Exit out of that. We're gonna go into the Twitter, and that's for Twitter. And then my YouTube channel, and remember, if you have a YouTube channel, you have to put a custom URL in that, and that's gonna be in your studio, creator studio. So those are all of those, and it's in the intro section underneath all those pictures, and that's how you do that on your laptop. Hi everyone, I'm Jasenia, and I'm going to be showing you social links on your contact and basic info on your phone. So you're going to go into your Facebook application, and then you're going to go into your main page where it has your profile picture and your cover photo. And you're going to see that it says post, edit profile, activity log, and more. You're going to hit the second one that says edit profile, and it has the little mini icon. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and on the bottom in blue, it's going to say edit your about info. So that is what you're going to click. Then you're going to have work, education, places you've lived, and then contact info. You're going to click the blue edit button on the right hand corner, and this is where you're going to add your social links. So right here it shows the social links, and it says on the bottom add social link, and it's going to show all the social links that they have. As you can see, I already have Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. For your social links, you just want to put the name of the social link that you have on each social link or social media. So for example, Instagram, I have Yogi Jasenia. Pinterest, it's Jasenia Alex. YouTube, you just have to make a custom URL on your creator studio in YouTube. And then for websites, you're gonna just simply add website, copy and paste your URL for your website. And that's how it's gonna show all on that. And then you're gonna go back to the main page, and it's gonna show underneath. And you wanna check all of them to make sure that they are uploaded correctly and that people hit them and they are showing your social medias, all the different ones. So here we go. I'm showing you all of them. YouTube, for some reason the Pinterest on the phone's not showing, but it showed on the laptop. And then the last one for Twitter. So that's all this, how you do all the social links and your websites on your cell phone. And it's going to show on your main page, profile page.